Recently, two security concern has been appeared for Zoom. One is sharing nasty stuff and another is sharing information, valuable user data with Facebook. So for this condition, the Zoom has been affected, the Zoom has been updated quickly, responded quickly. Now, Ministry of Home Affairs has warned the Zoom app user that the video conferencing application is not safe for users. And in another statement, Zoom is not a safe platform. The Cyber Coordination Center of Ministry of Home Affairs said in a new 16-page advisory. By hearing all these things, Zoom has responded quickly and they made some changes in their application. You need to do the update for use all the new feature for Zoom application. Now I can say that the Zoom application is not so bad, not so unsafe for user. You can use it by keeping some of the points in your mind. So what all the points are, let's learn. So in the new update, the Zoom has been introduced a meeting ID and password. Previously, if you use the link for join, you can do that same thing, but now they have been increased the security issue, and when you put your meeting link to join in a meeting, you need to put your meeting password. Without the password, you cannot join. Because the security issue, those who are not allowed to enter inside the meeting, they share their own screen and they share the nasty item. To prevent that, they have been introduced this feature. Many chances is there that your user information may be shared with Facebook. To prevent that, update your application and create a new user ID, new password, and use those credentials for future login to Zoom application. Now if you are invited to Zoom via Zoom meeting link, then you will be enter into a waiting room. This is the new feature. Once you enter in the waiting room, the admin need to approve you. In approval of the admin, you can join, you can enter into the meeting. Without the admin approval, you cannot enter. The next feature has been introduced that without the permission of admin, no one can share the data. No one can share their screen. You need to be a host in order to do that. How you can be a host without the admin approval? You cannot be a host. This is the new security feature upgrade of Zoom. Previously, as a participant, you can join a meeting where the meeting has not been hosted, but recently the new security feature has been added. That security feature tells that after the hosting of the meeting, you can join, otherwise you cannot join. The next upgraded feature is once the host removes someone from the meeting, the removed person cannot be rejoined again to that same meeting. Without the host permission, you cannot share your data, you cannot share your file. This is the new feature upgrade. The next one is there is a lock feature added by Zoom. That lock feature means all the participant, when the participant has been joined to the meeting, the host can lock that meeting so that a new person cannot join to the same meeting. The recording the screen share feature has been restricted for somehow. So these are the new feature has been introduced by Zoom. Now I can say that the Zoom is pretty much safer now. So you can use the Zoom. Still, if you don't want to use Zoom application, I will release one more video saying the top alternative of using Zoom application. Hope that video is also helpful for you. You can subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. So right now I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Let me tell you that this is the IT educational channel where you will find all the IT educational software informational video in my channel. If you want to make your career in software development field, you can watch my videos. You can stay tuned to my channel by subscribing the channel. I have separate playlist of separate courses also available. You can check out those.